Protective styling can include box braids, feed-in braids, twists, braids on your just natural hair, or even just two braids. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to share things that I'm doing that I think contributed to my hair growth and have really benefited me on my natural hair journey. So as you can see, my hair is like shoulder length when it's curly, but factoring in shrinkage and stuff, my hair is actually that long. Or if you need another one. So as you can see, my hair is definitely a lot longer than it looks, and I think the things that I'm about to talk to you about have definitely helped me get to this point and will help me get to my goal, which is being waist length. Not like this, but like when I stretch it out, it'll be waist length. So I think it'll be probably like right here, curly should probably get me to waist length. So let's just get right on into the video. So one of the biggest things that I think has contributed to my hair growth is being consistent. And this is in terms of everything that you're doing for your hair. So making sure you have a routine. So on wash day, you make sure you shampoo, condition, co-wash, condition, whatever works for you. Just make sure you're staying consistent with it so your hair can, you know, get clean, get the nutrients that you're trying to give it, you know. And also deep condition. I got really consistent with my deep conditioning. Once every week or maybe once every 2 weeks, depending on how busy I am, I like to take the time to fully coat my hair and deep condition it, and I feel like that just really gives my hair a lot of nutrients and just some TLC that it doesn't get during the week. And keeping this in mind, your hair doesn't grow overnight, so it's just like you can be consistent for a month and you still might not see results, but that doesn't mean it's not working. So don't give up if it's only a month and you're not seeing anything. It takes time. It takes time, especially if you're curly. It's not like you have other types of hair that just grows like rapid. My hair grows, I think, slow. I feel like I've been trying to grow my hair for so long and it's gotten nowhere. But then I look back at pictures and I see like, okay, I am making some progress. So don't be discouraged if you feel like it's taking longer than you want it to, because I'm sure that if you're staying consistent, then you're definitely working in the right direction. So the next thing that I think really helped my hair journey is to drastically reduce the amount of hot tools, or drastically reduce the use of hot tools. So when I say hot tools, I mean flat irons, curling wands, blow dryers, just anything where you're putting direct heat on your hair. Especially flat irons, because to get my hair straight, I need to do 450 degrees. So 450 degrees on my hair was killing my curl pattern. Just removing flat ironing from my routine, I feel like really helped my curls start to, you know, revert back to their natural state. When I was in high school, I used to straighten my hair every 2 weeks. Like I would wash, condition, straighten every 2 weeks. But during those 2 weeks, I would straighten my bangs, not my bangs, but like my front hair, almost every single day, because I wanted that nice fresh straight look when I was going to school, because that was a thing that was hot. Like, you want your hair straight, like it had to be bone straight. Like there was no like poofy straight, kind of straight, you know, semi straight. Like it was straight or nothing. So I think that really damaged my hair, because one, I cut my hair to here straight when I was in 10th grade, and then I was straightening it every single day, so that wasn't helping my hair to grow at all. So since it's grown, now that it's to here, I guess I definitely am making progress, because it used to be here, but it just feels like I'm not. But yeah, so try to reduce your heat use. And also, if you're using a blow dry, because I do blow dry styles, like I'm not saying I never blow dry my hair or put heat on my hair, but I try to blow dry on low. It takes a little bit longer, but I feel like it's not as much heat. I don't really know. I think that helps. So yeah. And for flat ironing, I only flat iron once a year, maybe twice. It's usually around my birthday, but I just straightened my hair on my birthday last year and I wasn't super happy with it. So I probably won't even straighten it. I don't know. We'll see. So the next thing I feel like that helped my hair is using essential oils. I talked about this in a couple of my previous videos, but black castor oil, lavender oil, coconut oil, all those oils, they have different properties and they have different benefits for your hair. A quick Google search will tell you what helps what problems. For instance, I use black castor oil around my temples because that's where my hair is a little bit thinner than everything else, and that helps promote growth. So if you're having any trouble areas, Google what your trouble area is, and I'm sure that there's an essential oil to help you. I also use tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, just to, you know, switch it up a little bit and give my hair some extra nutrients. I already talked about this, but deep conditioning weekly I feel like is super helpful. It replenishes my hair and gives back the moisture, and it just restores my hair. Like when I deep condition my hair, it's soft, it's just luscious, and I'm just like, whoo. So yes, deep conditioning. And protective styling. So protective styling can include box braids, feed-in braids, twists, braids on your just natural hair, or even just two braids. Anything that you're not gonna manipulate your hair, you're not combing your hair every single day, you're not brushing it, you're not straightening it, you're not blow drying it. It just gives your hair a break, because if your hair isn't being manipulated, you're not breaking it off because you're not touching it. You know, you just want to make sure when you have your protective styles that you're keeping your scalp moisturized, you're making sure the hair is staying nice and moisturized, because you still want to promote growth even though you're not going to be touching it every day. And with protective styles, don't be afraid of the shedding that you're going to get after it, because the first time I got box braids, I literally was crying my eyes out because I was like, oh my god, I'm losing my hair. And when in reality I had just had box braids for 6 weeks and I hadn't brushed my hair in 6 weeks, so obviously there was going to be some type of shedding. So I think those are the big points that really helped me get to where I am. If you guys can think of anything else that you do that has helped your hair journey, definitely drop that in the comments down below. I'd love to read it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!